Iran war won't affect you, think again, because Indians are lining up for essentials yet again, and this time not outside any ATM machines or for oxygen cylinders, but for LPG cylinders. There is a crisis for LPG cylinders, and yet the government say there is no shortage. The prices of domestic cylinders have been hiked by 60 rupees. The prices for commercial cylinders have been hiked by 150 rupees, and amid everything, the government has imposed Essential Commodities Act, which gives them the power to manage supply amid emergency situation. LPG supply to household has been prioritized, which means the businesses are already facing the brunt. In Mumbai, 20% of cities' hotels and restaurants have been shut. Bangalore Hotels Association has said that hotels across cities may have to be shut down if supply isn't resumed. Mysore hoteliers are saying that they are ready to pay any price, but there isn't any stock available. Similar dire situation can be seen in Coimbatore, Goa, Bhopal, Shimla, Calcutta and Delhi. But the real question is, who is paying attention to the businesses? Because if they shut, jobs will be in the line, and with no revenue, eventually the economy will get hurt. And all of this because India imports 60% of the LPG and 90% of it comes from the Gulf countries. And this crisis has arrived for two reasons. First, the destruction of oil and gas facilities in the Gulf countries. And second, the route through which we get our imports is Strait of Hormuz, which has been largely disrupted due to the Iran war. And this brings us to the conclusion that surely India did not go to the war, but the war has hit the Indian households and the businesses.